The Mai Tai is a classic tiki cocktail that combines rum, lime, and almond flavors. It's a refreshing and tropical drink, perfect for relaxing on a warm day. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces aged rum, preferably Jamaican or Martinique rum for authenticity. 3/4 of an ounce fresh lime juice, freshly squeezed for the best flavor. 1/2 ounce orange curaçao. Adds a sweet orange flavor. 1/2 ounce orgeat syrup. Almond syrup for a nutty balance. 1/4 of an ounce. Simple syrup, optional, depending on sweetness preference. Garnish mint sprig, for a final aromatic touch. Garnish lime wheel, adds visual appeal and a hint of citrus. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, jigger, bar spoon, crushed ice, old-fashioned glass, strainer. Here are the instructions. Fill a cocktail shaker with crushed ice. Add rum, lime juice, orange curaçao, orgeat syrup, and simple syrup, if using. Shake well until the cocktail is well blended and chilled. Fill an old-fashioned glass with crushed ice. Strain the mixture from the shaker into the glass. Garnish with a mint sprig and a lime wheel. Serve immediately and enjoy. The Mai Tai was created in the 1940s by Victor J. Trader Vic Bergeron. The name Mai Tai means out of this world or the best in Tahitian, reportedly said by one of the first people to try the drink.